Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. There's something truly irresistible about Goan Prawn Rava Fry. Juicy prawns coated in a crisp semolina crust, shallow fried until golden and packed with flavor in every bite. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Prawn Rava Fry, a classic Goan favorite made using simple ingredients and the right technique. In this recipe, I'll show you how to marinate and coat the prawns correctly so the rava sticks well, stays crisp after frying, while keeping the prawns soft and juicy inside. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Prawn Rava Fry. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 9 big prawns weighing around 300 grams. We also will need half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of rice flour. In a bowl, take half cup of semolina or rava for coating. Add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Add little less than quarter teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything nicely. Our rava mix is ready. Step 2. Cleaning and preparing the prawns. Wash and clean the prawns properly. Take a prawn, cut off the top part of the head, antenna and legs like I have shown and discard it. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Remove the shells from the body like I have shown and discard.
Hello everyone. Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
But keep the shell of the head and the tail. Similarly, clean the other prawns. Using a toothpick or the tip of a knife, carefully and slowly remove the vein like I have shown. Make sure to remove the complete vein and discard it. Similarly, devein the other prawns. Pat the prawns completely dry using a kitchen towel. Removing the excess moisture is very important for the rava coating to stick properly. Cleaned prawns are ready to be marinated. Step 3. Marinating the prawns. Now place the prawns in a mixing bowl. Add the salt, add the turmeric or haldi powder, add the Kashmiri red chili powder, add the cumin or jeera powder, add the ginger garlic paste, add the lime juice, add the rice flour. Mix everything gently until the prawns are evenly coated. Once done, cover and rest the marinated prawns for at least 15 minutes. This resting time allows flavors to absorb and helps the rice flour hydrate slightly, creating a lightly sticky surface for the rava to stick to. Marinated prawns are ready. Step 4. Coating the prawns. After resting the prawns for at least 15 minutes, take a marinated prawn and coat it in the rava mixture evenly. Pro tip for better color and grip. Mix a little Kashmiri red chili powder and turmeric powder into the rava before frying. This gives an even color, better adhesion and a beautiful restaurant style finish. Once done, place the coated prawn on a plate. Similarly coat the remaining marinated prawns. Let them rest for 10 minutes. This allows the rava to absorb the surface moisture and bind firmly to the prawns. After resting for 10 minutes, gently coat and press the prawns again in the rava plate to enable the rava to stick properly on both sides. Coated prawns are ready. Step 5. Frying the prawns. On medium heat, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil in a frying pan for shallow frying. The oil should be hot but not smoking hot. Carefully place the coated prawns into the hot oil. If oil is too hot, the coating burns and loosens. If the oil is cold, rava absorbs oil and falls off. Do not stir immediately. Let one side form a crust before flipping. Fry until golden on one side. Gently flip and fry the other side until crisp and cooked through. Less handling helps the coating stay intact. Remove the fried prawns and place them on a wire rack or paper towel. Do not stack them immediately. Stacking creates steam and loosens the crisp coating. Delicious prawn rava fry is ready. Serve the prawns rava fry hot with a dip using mayonnaise and tomato ketchup.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.